All right, folks, the road to Lovebirds 2016 starts right now. We're here live, the official auditions here. I'm Randy Prasad. You can find me on Twitter, Randy City. We've been seeing some great talent come through this studio. It's a really hard match to figure out which of them will be the finalists that will compete on February 6th at the beautiful Verity Hall here in Mississauga for the first ever Lovebirds 2016. But you know what? You guys are enjoying it just as much as we are. The judges haven't been pulling any punches, so it's been a really exciting time here today. So without further ado, let's bring our next set of acts on hand. Come on over here, girls. It's real. Look at these outfits. Wow. Look how absolutely stunning. Now, so we have Valerie and Leanna here. Thank you guys so much for being here. Right off the bat, what makes Lovebirds 2016 important for you guys to compete at?
It's a really exciting thing. We would really want to be part of that and dance with other dancers, other talented dancers, just different styles.
Absolutely. So tell us a little bit about what we're going to see here today.
You're going to see a Brazilian samba dance with lots of feathers and shaking, and just enjoy it.
Absolutely. Well, you know what? Don't hold back. Without further ado, the floor is all yours. Best of luck to you guys, and have lots of fun. We'll see you out here.
Todo dia é carnaval. Na festa da praia. O som do tambor bate o meu coração. E quem quiser pode chegar. Agora o chão vai balançar. É uma festa popular. Briga, dançar e pular. Viver a vida com alegria. Todo dia é carnaval. Vem dançar, balançar. Deixa o ritmo te levar. Vem dançar, balançar e todo mundo vai cantar. Todo dia é carnaval. Na festa da praia. No samba te roda, na noite de lua, a gente não se causa de ser criança. E a gente canta, e a gente dança, e a gente brinca na festa da praia. Vem dançar, balançar, deixa o ritmo te levar. Vem dançar, balançar e todo mundo vai cantar. Todo dia é carnaval. Na festa da praia. Eu mexo o bumbum, eu quero mexer. Todo dia, toda hora eu mexo sem parar. Eu sou muito louca, eu só penso em dançar. E eu sei muito bem o que precisa fazer. Vamos, gente! Na festa da praia. Todo dia é carnaval. Na festa da praia. Todo dia é carnaval. Na festa da praia.
Number 1 multicultural channel. This is TAG TV.